Good trailing, and now it's unfair because anybody guard 94 feet. But I don't know if you want to guard Curry 94 because
42.
Just run free. That's when he's had some of his best nights.
He's so little. Back into the ball game for Milwaukee. Tulsa.
Try to get as relaxed as possible. I think that's the big key to shooting free throws, so that you feel completely relaxed. And of course, with my two-handed, underhanded free throw, it's a lot easier, I feel, to get in a relaxed situation. I like to bounce the ball 3 times, hold the ball in exactly the same position on the ball every time, and I think that repetition in this game is really the key to success. 3 bounces, my arms hang down, my knees are bent, I'm relaxed, cock the wrists, follow through.
Back comes Kevin Porter. When that young man scores with this team, they really go, and Rick Barry has not.
It's part of the ball, but it affects the shooter.
$124.
He has his hands full. You know, he couldn't stop anybody with an octagon sign in his team.
Stojakovic bounces it in.
For you, I think. I didn't see the foul.
Eight points for Chauncey. 3 for 3, 2 more.
And you put one of the all-time greats at the free throw line.
Entered the game his second best free throws. 33 consecutive free throws made. Entered the game his second.
When I shoot a free, there's a point that's right here that's directly 15 feet away from the rim. I find that point first, and I put my right foot about 6 inches to the right of that so my entire body is square to the basket. I usually, at this point, I haven't looked at the basket yet. Settle myself in, spin, dribble. I look at the rim, take a deep breath, and shoot.
2 shots.
Count these.
That's right. This is like his layup. That's why he let him foul him. This is his layup. He would have just gotten blocked if he tried to do the other.
Free throw line, his superior mental focus could be seen on full display. You have to shut everything out, Murphy said. It's a matter of concentration. I just concentrate on the mechanics of the shot and make sure I do the same thing each time. Murphy became Mr. Automatic at the free throw line. No one even bothered to look.
He indeed is. He's second to Rick Barry's 90%. Calvin Murphy getting over 88.
I hope this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.